Hello, this is Professor Umbach, and I want to show you how you should go about finding the book that you're going to be reading this week in class. It's available as an ebook in the library, so there's no need to download the PDFs from the course materials portion of our Blackboard page, as you often do. So first, go to the John Jay website, select library. One search is fine for this. Limit your search to books. They Wished They Were Honest is the name of the title. Click search, and you'll see here full text available. Click full text. You cannot download the book easily because there are limits on how many people can simultaneously download the book, and moreover, it takes an extraordinarily long time. Since we're just reading one chapter and the preface, do read online. There it is. And what you're going to be reading is the preface here and the chapter on Serpico himself here. Click preface, and there you go. Contact me if you have any questions.